What's up, guys? Mike Shana back in with another Michigan Muscle video. Today I've got something pretty special for you. One of my buddies just came over. He just picked up a new car, as you can see in the background. It's the 2019 BMW M5 Competition package. It's the first one in Michigan, the only one in Michigan right now for the next 2 years, you said? For at least the next 2 years, something like that. But it's a twin turbo V8. The thing is a monster from what I hear. It's satin black from the factory. The thing looks amazing. You can see the blue accents inside the interior. I haven't even seen the car yet. So we're gonna check it out and he's gonna take me for a ride and I'm excited. But this car looks absolutely wicked. Let's go take a walk around. Going right along with my buddy right now. This car is absolutely insane. We pull out of my subdivision and it's 650 horsepower, all-wheel drive. The car is an absolute monster. I mean, it pulls, it crackles, and it's not even broken in yet, he said too. So it's not at full power, you said? So what do you think it's making then? Not 650, but the car is still ridiculously quick. Let's see if we can get some of these crackles. I wonder if we can hear them. Yeah, there we go. The screen is unreal. That's so cool, it's all digitalized. Alright, something really cool I just noticed. Speakers, the tweeters light up inside the door. How cool is that? And all the controls are touchscreen completely. So like, heated seat is all touchscreen. That's pretty sweet. Everything's touching this car. It's awesome. So you just pull here maybe. Oh my God. That throws you back. This car is ridiculously fast. I wonder if it would beat a Z06. How's it handle? She handles pretty good. Alright, another cool little feature on this M5 is it displays your horsepower and torque numbers. Not that it's very useful, it's just kind of cool to look at sometimes. So if you give it a little bit of gas, you can see the numbers will jump up. Yeah, like that. This car's not slow, that's for sure. Alright, so the car's in two-wheel drive right now. So a barely broken in car is already spinning the tires, not even making full power. The thing's ridiculous. I can only imagine what it's gonna make when it's, or what it's gonna do when it's making full power. I bet it'll beat a V. It crackles so much. It's like a business executive car that also hauls ass. It's amazing. Oh my God. It's ridiculous. Oh my God, dude. That's insane. What the fuck? Alright, so we just found a Trackhawk right there. We're gonna see if he wants to play. He's afraid. Oh, there he goes. Trackhawk's getting it. He's trying. Oh my God, this is ridiculously fast. M5 for the dub, baby. All right, guys, so that's that. First look at the first Michigan BMW M5 Competition Edition. Let me know what you guys think. There's definitely be some more videos of this car to come. Thanks to my buddy Andrew. Let's check it out. Coming over this winter and into the next summer. The summer's gonna be a blast with it. It's definitely gonna hurt some egos. This will be fun. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment below on what you think and what other videos you think I should drop next. Let me know. Like the video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.